Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to use Chime for direct deposit. In order to use Chime Bank for direct deposit, you just need to follow the steps. So you can see that the Chime itself has mentioned the steps to deposit or direct deposit. So as you can see, first thing you can understand what is actually a direct deposit. Now, direct deposit is an electronic payment from one bank to another. Now, it is estimated that the need for a physical check can provide quicker access to your money. So the ways or the steps to set up is that you need to get a direct deposit from your employer. So you have to share your account details with your employer. Next thing, you need to provide a personal bank account information as mentioned earlier. Likewise, you need to decide how much money you want to deposit into your bank account. After you've actually done it so, you need to include a direct deposit check with your form. When you actually do it so, submit your direct deposit form to the employer and monitor your bank account. So this way you'll be able to use Chime for direct deposit. That's all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.